So I'm gonna show y'all a quick breakdown of this song. Pretty simple, but when you add those alter chords, that's what really makes it very musical.
Look at me, I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree.
So we in the key of D flat. So the first chord we have is a D flat major 7. This takes you to an A flat minor 9. And then I altered this chord right here. So this is a D flat 13 with a sharp 11. Takes you to an F sharp major 9.
And I feel like I'm clinging to a cloud.
Then this takes you to a F sharp minor 9 or minor 9 because you can play that. That's a B13 with a sharp 11. When I went to this F minor 7, I looked at it like I was playing in like a F sharp Dorian. It's like I'm visiting E major for a minute. So I borrowed from that. Now sometimes I will play it. Look at me. Da, 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 So instead of doing, you can just. So it's just a F sharp Dorian scale. And then you go. That's that B13 with a sharp 11.
Up a tree, and I feel like I'm clinging to a cloud. I can't understand.
F minor. Now I went to a B flat minor right there in the short. I played this, so it's a B flat dominant 7 with a flat 9, and then I did that.
Misty, just
E flat dominant 9, A flat 13 with a flat 9, and now this chord right here, it's a C sharp or a D flat major 9 with a sharp 11.